Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are Ben and Bella here, and we are now just walking around at the Kaiserslautern town city. So we are now in the tent after walking around the area, and I will show you guys the area that we walked after this. So we are now in the tent here, so you don't really need to buy any ticket because they don't really have any big band team here. So this is how it looked from the inside, and then the food, like you can see, it's very fast because they already cook over there. And then we order pork knuckle, so 2 of this. Actually it's only one because it's on the menu. It says like maybe 1 kg per piece. And then if you think it's too big, they will cut for you like 2 order like that, like 2 plates sharing like that, which is the number 2 here. You can see I cycle for you to see, and this is the menu. I mean, it's not in English, but you can always do with the Google Translate, taking picture, and it will translate for you. And then this is the price of the beer, and then we got some beer. And then this is the most famous for festival food. Bratwurst, which is it the pork sausage, right? This one. This is the pork, pork sausage. This is really good. And this is the curry sauce. It's called currywurst, which is like a curry sausage, and then it's come together. So we walk around in the morning time. Actually, it's not morning, it's afternoon time. Right now it's 2 o'clock, and it's not too many people. And it's also good that you can easily find the parking lot. And today we are parking at the penny store, which is Sunday. That we don't need to pay for the parking ticket. Right? We don't need to pay for the parking ticket because penny or mostly of the grocery store, they are not open on Sunday, so it's like a free space. This is very, very crispy. So this is a pork knuckle, which is my most favorite German food. They kind of like grill over there, like you can see I put the video. And then, wow. German food is a little bit salty, but this one is not too bad. We got some bread.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando, yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
Look at that. Honestly, this is the best, like really, really good. It's not salty at all, like a perfect flavor. It's not salty at all. It's really perfect. Wow. This part is super crispy, and this is the best part as well for the skin.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
I never see any festival that have the real horses just like that. Like this is the first time. Look at that.
Alright, also before we say goodbye, just let me show you this is the name of the event or of the festival. I always thought that this is the Oktoberfest, but this is not, because I were posting on TikTok and then one person come and say this is not Oktoberfest, this is some kind of festival that is happened like twice per year or some certain amount of time per year. So yeah, and anyway, I noticed that every time when we are posting about Germany vlog, some kind of like this kind of vlog, or the road trip to Switzerland or whatever, if you can see it in the previous video, we don't really get view, we barely get like 50 or 100. And this is kind of like a little bit frustrated for me or for us, to be honest. However, it's not gonna stop us or me posting or editing the video, because this is a part of our journey or a part of our life story. One day we will be looking back and see where we've been, where we live, where we enjoy the time. So if you find that this is also related to you, please feel free to like or subscribe or give us a comment. It's also like a big sign of showing your support. Otherwise, just keep watching and let us know. And yeah, so we just moved to Germany recently, and then this is kind of like the activity that we are doing so far during the weekend. And yeah, so it's pretty much it kind of similar, I would say, because so far if you see our vlog posting about Germany, going to different festival, so the popular one, it's the wine festival and Oktoberfest, and then this one another festival, but to me it's kind of like very similar ones to another. So yeah, the rest of the video we will just leave the video for you guys to see how is the festival in Germany, and this one is specifically in a city in Kaiserslautern. I will also put the location in the description in case you wonder where it is. And also in this city or town, whatever you call, it's also the biggest American community outside of the United States. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching and coming along with us today as usual. And for now, you guys have a great day. Bye.
Para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando, yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
I can't get that light because this is the LED light, so it's always like that.